it's me, Kiana. In today's video, I am back with a natural hair care video. For those of you that are new to my channel, I am a professional makeup artist, but oftentimes I will take you guys along for the ride with me as I go through my natural hair journey. I also show you a lot of different protective styles using wigs. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also click that post notification button to never miss another upload. Today's video is in partnership with a new brand of hair care products called Formulate. This is where you can actually find the products that I'm going to be talking about today. It's www.formulate.com. So my peeps that are interested in products that are customized just for you, Formulate might be a product that you might be interested in. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into the video and share with you guys my experience with the company of Formulate, the products that I use, the questionnaire that I actually took to customize my products, and give you guys my full commentary. Let's jump right into the video. So you'll see that I'm rocking my natural tresses today. I always give you guys a quick spin so you can see that there are no tracks. There is no trick photography here. For a very long time, I've been very self-conscious about my natural hair. It's never been really straight. It's never been really coily. It's just been kind of this soft curl, which I don't know, it sounds crazy even with me saying it, but that's just been my journey. All of 2018, I did battle a lot of shedding with my hair. My hairstylist and I had to go through a full process of apogee protein treatments. I'm going to leave those videos in the description box that kind of took you guys along with the journey as we trimmed off all the color on my hair. Also, if you're new to my channel, I do typically review a lot of wigs on my channel. It's only because wigs is kind of that instant glam to whereas I don't have to be in my head about it. But all of 2019, I want to actually really engulf myself in what my hair is actually doing. I think that's probably why I was very, very willing to partner with Formulate. It's one of the products that I think once you invest in it, you're going to want to use the products. You're going to want to get results. And I think a lot of that comes in comfort of knowing that Formulate allows you to personalize your shampoo and conditioner. This is my personalized shampoo and conditioner. First off, can I add that I am completely obsessed? Let's see if I can pull it in to where the light is not reflected on it. First off, I'm completely obsessed with how the bottles are done. It's a plastic bottle. I really love that it is a honeycomb shape because it just looks really, really organic to me. Both of the products also come with pumps, so you can totally feel like you're taking control of the product and how much you need on a daily basis or every other day basis or once a week, however you use the products on your hair. I will leave the questionnaire that I answered for Formulate to really infuse my products with things that were going to help me with my hair care goals and my hair care journey. I know that I talked about my hair being dry and brittle. I talked about the extreme shedding. I talked about my hair being curly. I really want to have a good chance to use a very high-end product to the best of its ability to get me on the journey of my hair care goals, as well as I think one of the other things that I talked about, I wanted something that gave me kind of a strengthening agent in my product. So I'm giving you guys a little bit of what I wanted Formulate to target with my products. Both of the bottles, you're getting 14 fluid ounces. That is a lot of product. I typically shampoo my hair at least once a week, and with Formulate, I found that I needed to use two full pumps of the shampoo, maybe even 3 full pumps of the shampoo, and that way I got a really, really good lather on my hair. As far as the conditioner, because it is sulfate free, I didn't get a lot of slip to it until I got around the 4, 5, maybe 6 pumps. And I think it's because I asked for no sulfates. Typically when I use a silicone and sulfate free conditioner, you're not going to get as much slip, but I was very surprised with the slip that I got the more products that I use. After I rinsed out the conditioner, I could feel a thickening agent on my hair, which reminded me I did ask for a thickening agent in my conditioner. This reminds me of what my hair feels like almost after a couple days after a protein treatment. So in my mind, because I went through so much shedding in 2018, I definitely want to use products that are going to give me a little bit more thickening. If you can see at the root where I have a lot of density, that's the part that I'm most excited about. The process was really easy when I went through the questionnaire. It was just basically like boom, 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 answer that. The customer service was top notch. I've honestly had my product since, I'm going to say, the beginning of November, but I want to take my time and go through the product, test the product out before I gave you guys my full commentary. It does run about $59, and some people would say that's a lot, but I wouldn't think it's a lot if I have something that's customized for me that I think is going to work. So how about we make this deal? I'm going to try these products for the next 3 to 4 months. We're going to come back monthly. We're going to tell you guys what I think about the product the second month and the third month, and see if it actually makes any difference in my hair, see if my commentary changes. But as for now, do I think the $59 price point is worth the investment? Absolutely. To be able to formulate something that works exactly for me, that answers my hair care goals, to also be able to have something that's directly shipped to my house, to also be able to make me feel like that I am putting ingredients in a product that I personally want, I feel like it's worth the effort. Now I have a special surprise for you. If you've made it to this portion of the video, one of you is going to get your own personalized Formulate system. All you have to do to be entered to win, the products are going to come from Formulate. And you know what? I probably need to read and see what they say you need to do. Hold please. Go to the link, formulate.com, and of course you need to be using my specific link. That's one, US residents only. And the first 20 entries at the end of the giveaway, one winner will receive a code to receive a free set. So my peeps that normally hit my video within the first day, okay, you have 20 people are going to be entered to win this free Formulate package. So I'm going to tell you, if you're watching the video today, your chances are really, really high. Because make sure you check the description box to make sure that you have all of the information to enter to win. What do you think? Are the curls popping today or no? You guys know I love to know. Comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also click that post notification button to never miss another upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.